Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to improve our English, and I will give you 4 habits that will help you do exactly that. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Number 1, pronunciation. Practice your pronunciation every day. It is not about imitating another accent, but about learning the correct way of pronouncing a word. The easiest way to do that is go to Google, type the word that you want to learn the pronunciation for, and you'll be surprised that you can find the correct pronunciation in the Google itself. Why is practicing pronunciation so important? Because when you are speaking in English, you want the other person to understand you, right? That is one of the important thing when you want to become an effective communicator. The other person, the person sitting on the other end, needs to understand you. And if your pronunciation is not correct, or if it is heavily influenced by your MTI, which is the mother tongue influence, there are high chances that people will not understand you. And to be honest, it is absolutely okay if you're not able to pronounce few words. Like my example, I still cannot pronounce some words because I think it has got something to do with my MTI. And there are few words that I still cannot pronounce, no matter how hard I try, but I keep practicing it. So that is very important, practicing your pronunciation every day. Number 2, surround yourself with English. Now, wait a minute. I don't mean that you need to relocate to an English-speaking country in order to surround yourself with English. What does it mean? It means that in your everyday life, make a routine or make a habit to surround yourself with English. And how you can do that is by reading. One of the most important way is by reading. Read books, read newspapers, read anything, read a vlog. That is going to help you improve your English. The other way that you can surround yourself with English is by watching English movies or series. Because when you watch English movies or series, you get to learn how the native speakers speak their language, how they speak in English, how their body language is, how they're pronouncing certain words. So when you hear them talk in English and communicate in English, you're going to pick some of that. And over a period of time, you're going to build that into yourself because you're so used to listening to them speak like that. The other way, the third way that you can do this is by listening to English songs. Yes, you heard me right. When I was growing up and when I was learning English, this was one of the ways that I used to do. I used to listen to the English songs and I used to try and, mimic them and sing along with them. And I even used to try to transcribe the English because at that time we never got the lyrics and all. So I used to listen to the songs and write the songs down, what they're trying to, what they are singing. And once I had the lyrics down, I would look at the lyrics and sing along with the song. That is also one of the way that can help you improve your English. So try that. The third habit that you should imbibe in your everyday life in order to improve your English is to learn one new word in English. When you're watching the English movies and listening to the communication, when you're listening to the song, or when you're reading the books, the newspapers, or even the vlogs, whatever new words that you come across, you need to make a note of that and learn the meaning of those new words. And it will help you increase your vocabulary. And also because you're hearing those words being used, or you're reading those words when you're reading the newspaper or the books, it is going to help you contextualize those new vocabulary, those words. So you will know exactly where to use it and how to use it. That is the third tip that is really going to help you improve your English. The fourth tip that I have for you is to practice your skill. Now that you've been learning the pronunciation, you've been learning new words, and you've been listening to the communication, you've been reading, you've been listening to the songs, now what you need to do is put all of this into practice. I'm not saying that go out and talk to everybody in English. No, if you cannot do that, that is absolutely okay. Start with baby steps. the first thing that you can do to practice the skill is start making sentences with the new words that you have learned. This is one of the things that I make my students do. I ask them to write down all the new words that they have learned along with their meanings and try and make at least one sentence from that new word. So every day when you're learning one new word, try and make one sentence or two sentences with that new word that you've learned. And if you want to take it a step ahead, you can start talking to people. Talk to everybody that you can in English, even if it means for 1 or 2 minutes. If you have nobody to talk to with, you can do the mirror practice. Now, what is mirror practice? You stand in front of the mirror and talk about whatever you want to talk in front of the mirror. You imagine yourself that you are standing in front of an audience and give your best performance. Do this every day. Every day for next 30 days, 60 days or 90 days or whatever is comfortable with you. When you combine these 4 habits into your everyday life, you will see a stark improvement in your English. I will guarantee you this much. Let me know in the comment below if you're going to try this and if it is helping you, if you're already doing it. Till then, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye.